So now there are various case-based group discussion also which takes place. Now a lot of companies are following this strategy also, where they give you a specific case and they try to see how good are you in suggesting various ideas. Let's take up, if supposedly if you want to apply for a sales profile or so, they will give you a case study and they will look to it, how can you come up with the innovative ideas. If you want to apply for as a business development executive or so, where you want to increase the business of the organization, so they will give you a real-time scenario and they'll look to it, how can you come up with the innovative ideas, like this can be done or this can be done. So it is like I coming for an interview and I'm saying that I have a creative mindset, I have good communication skills, I'm someone who can convince people or so. So rather than just trusting on to what I am saying, they can put me into a situation and they can test upon these skills which I'm stating or which is required. So this is what the purpose of a case-based GD is. So first thing is, whenever a case-based GD case is given to you, read the case, look for the problem areas, then think of what solutions can be there for this particular case. The most viable solution or the recommendation, you can join 2 or 3 solutions and you can come up with one viable solution which covers maximum of the problems which the company is facing. So this is how you can basically go ahead and you can solve the case. As far as the participation is concerned, suppose if you want to add a point, what you can do is you can introduce the case as per your understanding. What do you know about the case? You can support that with the various facts or maybe some background or so. You can discuss the pros and cons involved in it, and you can come up with the best viable solution. So this is how you participate in the case-based group discussion. If you're going to start the group discussion, you are the one who is basically taking the part to initiate the group discussion. Always go ahead and explain in 1 or in 2 lines or 3 lines maximum, what have you understood with the case, what are the facts given, what are the problem areas, and according to you, what could be done. So this is where others can also add points. In case you want to defer to what point someone has already said, you can say that as per my understanding, I think that this is the problem area and this could be a more viable solution. As other solutions which other teammates are suggesting, there this could be an issue, there this could be an issue. So this is how you participate. थोड़ा सा background देंगे what the case is, and then we will highlight the problem areas, and then we'll justify why do we think that this particular thing will serve the purpose. So let's take up a case study and then we'll see to it. In solving the particular case study, you can use SWOT analysis. SWOT analysis basically means strengths, weaknesses, threats, and opportunities. So you can actually read the case and you can look for what are the strength areas, what are the weaknesses, what are the threats, and how the weaknesses can be converted into strengths, or maybe how your threats could be converted into opportunities. So this is how we do the SWOT analysis. Are we done with it? So now let's practice. This is a particular case which is related to Starbucks. We all know Starbucks is one of the coffee chains that is there, and it is one of the very they provide expensive coffees. So in 2008, Starbucks declared that they would close 600 stores due to the decreased sales that was there. And up to that point, Starbucks stores had added new offerings, including Wi-Fi's and music for sale, but started to lose its warm neighborhood store feeling in favor of a chain store persona. Discuss the possible reasons, according to you, for decline in the popularity and sale of the coffee chain, and provide 3 recommendations in order to improve the sales and services. So you could go ahead and you can read this. Please understand the case. In case you have any points, you can add into it. Right? So now, have you understood the case, everyone? Yes? Have we analyzed the case? The major problem area is that the sales are decreasing, and what could be the reasons, possible reasons of this decrease in sales, and what solutions can we come up with. So let's do the SWOT analysis now. Yeah. So any one of you would like to add points?
Ma'am, in
Like what solutions could be there?
ma'am, in 2008, uh, drastic decrease has been came in the economy sector, and the financial condition of all the countries were not good.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Jay sir, ready here, ma'am?
Lost their jobs.
Can I?
Hello.
Okay. Anyone else?
Yeah, ma'am. Jay sir, ready here.
Yes, please.
So major population in India are tea drinkers, ma'am, not coffee lovers. I think that's the reason for the decline of sales of Starbucks, and also the cost is very high in Starbucks. So I think that's the problem in decreasing in.
The first and the most like the cost price of the Starbucks coffee are high, so they could not cover the wider sector, like the wider people. So they could not connect the wider people in terms of getting high sales. We should work on cost per price. So that's the reason.
Okay. Anyone else?
There was a no rapidly increases in the sales. It was a pandemic stage. It might be. So there was a no high sales. So it might be a less.
We are talking about 2008. This particular case is related to 2008. We cannot talk about the COVID situation as of now.
Okay, in 2000 only there was a no rapidly increases in the sales. It might be due to high cost or it may due to some issues. So they are not ready to increase the sales and increase their productivity.
Ma'am, strength, ma'am. Hello.
Yes, please add.
Ma'am, strength is a strong market position and global brand recognition.
Exactly.
And ma'am, weakness is a expensive products, and opportunity, ma'am, expansion into emerging markets, and ma'am, threats are increased competitions.
Okay.
Ma'am, I think their sales were decreased due to because people were finding alternatives like Cafe Coffee Day and other competitors of Starbucks. So they were preferring on their alternatives, I think. So that's why their sales decreased.
Okay. Done. Okay. Anyone else?
Ma'am, I think strength is
I think you can move to the case study slide before showing this. Yeah. Please go ahead. Yeah, Monica.
Opportunity expansions into very large industries and emergency makers. Competition should be higher than the other competitors.
Okay.
And the product should be an expansive rather than the other products.
Okay, done. So I'll just like to add a point here. A lot of you, because this, if we go by this particular case study, this clearly says discuss the possible reasons for decline in the popularity and sales of the coffee chain. You are adding points of decline in popularity. What you can do is you can also suggest a recommendation. Now that you have realized that the increased competition is one of the reasons, so what could be a possible solution? So this is how, in a case-based study, we participate in a group discussion. So to every problem that you have identified that this might be a reason for decrease in sales, you can come up with a solution also. You can come up with a recommendation also to improve the sales. Done. Right? Because what happens is a group discussion normally takes place in a larger group of people. So it's very difficult at times to get a chance to come up with a recommendation. So you can whenever you get a chance, highlight the decline in popularity reason, and you can also come up with the recommendation. So this is the strategy which you can use in order to participate in a group discussion. Done? Right? Yes, please go ahead.
Ma'am, they can provide the discount time to time in order to attract the customers.
Okay.
and they can
Okay, done. Anyone else?
Hello, madam.
Hello.
If it increase to sales marketing team and sales opportunity in the target our customer.
Mhm. Okay, so let's move on to the SWOT analysis slide. We will do the SWOT analysis now. So it's, as far as the strength areas is concerned, definitely they have this, they were located internationally, they had the global reach, they have the established brand image, which is there, and they had been performing exceptionally well. And another thing is their standardization and the quality of the services that they were providing is what their strength area is. The weaknesses was that, you know, they were expensive in terms of the competitors which were there. They were providing cheaper things. That is where cheap coffee rates were there. So this is where the expensive aspect is there. If you want to maintain your price, you will have to improve the quality of the services that you're providing. You'll have to come up with more innovative ideas. I hope a lot of you know that the concept of Starbucks was to make it your third home. That is, one is your office place where you work, next is your home where you can work, third is where they wanted to give that comfortable atmosphere to the people where they can go to Starbucks and they can have a coffee and they can work. So this is where they wanted to introduce the concept of your third home. A lot of people even now also, so what if you want to, you know, charge expense, if you want to be your coffee to be expensive, obviously they have this strategy also where you can go and you'll find this in the areas which are quite posh, also in the areas where, you know, a lot of public is involved, or maybe in case of some offices or so, if you go to Cyber Hub or something, you'll find Starbucks there. So this is where a lot of official meetings takes place. So they have their presence there, a lot of meetings takes place, so the arena or the atmosphere is such. Then obviously another weakness was the product could be copied easily. And then another thing is the weakness was that if the product is sent back to you, obviously the cost involved and everything was involved into it. So threats are low coffee sellers are there. Recession is one of the reason. Rising prices of the coffee beans is the another thing which is a threat in case you want to curb this expensive part. So now how can they actually improve the sales? How can they actually work upon the sales? They can do their expansion in terms of, you know, they can add various other things, where they can add various other food items. They can come up with some fresh juice or items, or maybe some tea lovers. There are a lot of people who are tea lovers who are not coffee lovers, so they can add that thing also. Another thing is they because they want to maintain the standardization, a lot of, because they want to their concept was they want people to feel home like.
They can offer the products also.
Yeah, they wanted it to be their third home after their office and their home. They want that people should prefer Starbucks. So this is where, in whichever location they are located, they should follow the vibe of that particular place, so that the people should feel comfortable with the ambience and all of it. Another thing is, yes, of course, they have started with this card thing, which is there, you know, you get special discounts on your birthdays, anniversaries, and also your coupon get added. They can start with the drive-through concept in case they want to increase their sales. They can start selling, doing the home delivery of the services. That is, they can come up with this online services can be done. Next thing is, they can also come up with the customized, they can custom the drink according to the preferences of the people. This could be another thing which could be done. And they can get involved in the various, they are actually involved in the various charity related events. This could be another thing which they could be involved in order to increase their in terms of social responsibility, because they're charging so much of money, they're also involved in social activities in the upliftment of the society. So this is where social responsibility could be other aspect. Another thing is
cross-selling.
Sorry?
Cross-selling can be included in this.
Yes,
cross-selling of products.
Yeah, they can come up with various forms of product diversification could be one of the aspects, where they can come up with various forms of other products, like range of coffees could be increased. And then again, another thing is they can start with, they can get located in various universities, or they can even get located in airports and all of it. This is where they can reach out to people and they can increase their performance. So this is what the recommendations can be there. So this is this is it as of now, the idea generation techniques is concerned in terms of group discussion. I hope that these techniques, whichever I have covered, will help you out in solving the group discussion topics that you'll be getting. And feedback which I would like to give to all of you, I appreciate a lot of you participated, a lot of you have added a lot of points. What you need to do is you need to be more elaborative in terms of your points. Whatever point you're adding, do not just add a point and then just go. Explain the point. One feedback. Next feedback which I would like to give is, if you can support your answers with examples, that could be another added benefit. Third thing is, whenever you get a time to think about a topic, take a pen and paper and jot down points so that you have more structured approach in coming up with the group discussion points, and you are not repeating the content, or you're not bringing different perspectives to one point only. What matters in group discussion is your different points in terms of different perspectives. You touching social aspect, you touching economic aspect, you touching technology aspect is what is important. You just covering various points under technology aspect is not the point. So whenever your number of times you're participating, make sure that you are touching various aspects. You're not just touching one aspect and adding some points to it. So this is another strategy which you need to follow in a group discussion.